Prepare to meet the most modern and efficient treatment of obesity and weight loss in the world, Fast Renew system. Unlike anything that has ever existed, the Fast Renew system operates simultaneously on 5 basic points, directly related to the development of obesity: genes, receptors and messengers, flag cells, hormone balance, energy metabolism. Therefore, the Fast Renew system is the only treatment in the world that has the capacity to act directly on the following mechanisms: perception and signaling the body's nutritional status, generation of hunger and satiety sensation, power generation, control of production, inventory and utilization of fats, balance of body composition. Once regarded as impossible in the slimming treatment, has become the expected in the Fast Renew system. Loss of up to 3 pounds of fat in a single day. Possibility of losing over 60 pounds in a month. Absence of hunger during treatment. Retraction of the skin. Preservation of muscle mass. Intense and welfare disposition targeting loss. Ease of maintenance of the results. It is important that you know that only a physician trained in the Fast Renew system can help you get the possible results in perfect safety. Pay a visit to our site, see more details, schedule a doctor's appointment at associated clinics and discover how the Fast Renew system can help you solve your overweight problem, improve your health and increase your quality of life.